Also, of course, we have brought into this contextual help that includes graphical and also information that gives information and makes it easier for the treatment. Alarms could be adjusted like this. There is a new alarm lamp visible from all the different angles, and it's a red color now. It can turn to yellow or blue. It also includes a trouble guide with a checklist on the top that makes it easier for you to solve the cause of the problem. The access could be pressed by this. It could be tap and hold, or it could be by the plus or minus. On this part on the left side, you see the different clinical therapies. Here are the different modes, alarm adjustments, trend window, up to 72 hours, and the maneuvers also. It's there. There are different views with the Servo-c that can be adjusted. And here you can set the distance view, which also gives a clear visible view from a longer distance, which is also very nice with this new screen. And of course, there are other views that can be adjusted, like family view.